Kawasaki India has launched the cruiser bike 2021 Vulcan S BS6 motorcycle in India. The 2021 Vulcan S retail at Rs 5.79 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. This makes it Rs 30,000 more expensive than its BS4 counterpart in the Indian market. The BS6 cruiser motorcycle is offered in an all-new dual-tone paint scheme called the Metallic Flat Rock Race Tone. It features subtle red accents on the fuel tank and alloy wheels and looks appealing. The BS6 Vulcan S continues to come powered by an updated version of the same 649cc unit. The liquid-cooled parallel twin-cylinder engine produces a maximum power of 60 bhp at 7,500 rpm and a peak torque of 62.4 Nm at 7,000 rpm. The engine continues to come mated to a standard 6-speed gearbox. Unlike the Z650 and the Ninja 650, the Vulcan S remains unchanged in terms of design and features apart from the new color scheme. Both its siblings received a new instrument console with Bluetooth technology. The cruiser looks of the motorcycle are further accentuated by the inclusion of a retro-looking oval-shaped headlamp with a black cowl, round-shaped fenders at both ends along with lower-set turn signal indicators at the rear. The Vulcan S comes equipped with alloy wheels and an exhaust that is tucked away below the engine. It continues to use a perimeter frame and features a long wheelbase of 1575 mm. Suspension duties are handled by a 41mm telescopic forks with 130mm travel at the front and an offset type monoshock setup with preload adjustment. The motorcycle comes equipped with dual channel ABS as standard. Highlighted features of the Vulcan S include a 14-liter sculpted fuel tank, upright handlebar and well-cushioned rider and pillion seats. Forward set foot pegs, all of which makes it ideal for the long distance traveling. The motorcycle continues to feature a semi-digital instrument console as seen as on the earlier models. It offers the rider necessary information including gear indicator, trip meter, speed and fuel indicator among others. Kawasaki continues to update its entire portfolio to BS6 standards in the Indian market. The Vulcan S offers a relaxed riding position that is ideal for long journeys. Do let us know in the comment section what do you feel about this price increase for the BS6 Vulcan S.